I bought something. I bought something interesting. And guess what? This is an Oakley. This is the Oakley Meta Vanguard. So we're going to open this. How do you open this? You have to tear this down. And this way. Okay. Then what's this here? We're experiencing this. Okay, there's a how do you call this? A sunglass pouch. And then getting started guide and manual. What else? Nothing more. Nothing. Nothing already. Oh, this one. Okay. So this is the, what's this? Ah, the nose pad. Extra nose pad. And this is the case. There's a USB-C here. Very nice case. But there's no USB-C cable. No USB-C cable. Yeah, no USB-C cable. Let's see. And then this one. How do you open this? Yeah. And you have to this. When you put it out, this will remove automatically. This is the protection from the contact. But there's no USB-C cable. Funny, huh? Funny, no USB-C cable. This is the charging case also. And the camera itself. This is the camera. The Oakley shade. And the camera is here in the middle. Okay. Here. And here are the speaker. And there's a switch here. And also speaker and switch also here. We have to pair this before we can continue using it. Anyway, let's see. So this is how it looks. The Oakley Meta. This is how it looks. And then I'll try to wear it. Okay. I bought the white color because the shade is gray. I preferred gray than there are some other colors. Black with something that is violet or something. But I prefer the gray color. So this is the Meta Oakley. So I guess this is better when you're riding the bicycle. I'm going to try this tomorrow. It's raining now. And I'm going to try this and see how it performs. The camera is here. One good thing with the Oakley is the camera is in the center. For the Ray-Ban, the camera is here. So sometimes you have a tendency to move your head. You want to put it in the middle. And just a little adjustment, and normally my picture are out of frame because my head is moving too much. Okay, with this one, it's really in the middle. I think this is a better design that the camera is in the middle. So I guess this is just a very simple unboxing. And then I'm going to add maybe video clip of the quality of this. It comes with 2 nose pad also, and the contact is here. The case, very big case, very heavy, but something funny. It doesn't come with a USB-C cable. There's no USB-C cable. Funny. So we're going to put this back. And this one is the protection so that it doesn't charge during shipping. But I won't be needing it anymore. Now when you put it on, it's charging. So next thing to do is to pair it. Okay? And that's what I'm going to do next. Pairing. So I guess that's all. This is just a very basic, simple unboxing, and just to share you what's inside the Oakley Meta. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. I'm using the front follow and I'm walking. Now I'm going to try if it could understand the gesture command, and then I will let it move. Okay, I stop, then I walk, following me on the side. Okay, and then I'm going to put my gesture and I'm going to let it move on this side. Okay, it's following. Then I close my hand, then I walk again, follows me on the other side. Okay, so it's not okay, and I walk, it's far away. Then I put my hand and then come near, so it's pan action, everything is pan action. Then I close my hand, then I walk again, then when I'm walking, and then I let it move into my front. Okay, and then I stop, and then it follows me, and then I stop, I put my hand and I bring it up, it goes up, and I close my hand and it's up.